everybody, I am Ujjwal Srivastav aka Rawwn, and today I am going to teach you a simple tutting combo. Let's get started. Tutting is all about angles, and basically you have to work on your angles to get best tutting combo. First step is that you have to make box, a simple, nice, clean box. And after that, what you have to do is close your box, just like this. Close your box. Now again from the starting, close your box, and now put this arm down. Simple and easy. Then after putting your arm down, take your another arm up and join this with this. Okay, watch it slow and try to learn what I'm teaching you. Watch it again, just simple. Now again from the starting, make a box, close the box, put this arm down, up and up. Try it again and again and you will get it. Box, close, down, up, up. From here, take your arm on the top, up, like this. Okay, and then slide it down. Again from the top, box, down, down, up, up, up. Slide it down. Now divide and make the simple tutting position. From where we start tutting is called home base. So my home base is like this, and here drop, drop, put this arm up, then again up, slide it down, divide and come into Indian Namaste position. If you will do it fast, it will look like this. Have a look again. And if you practice daily 15 minutes, you will get this down in a week. I promise. Don't go after speed. Try it slow and you will get it down. So here it was my second tutorial. The first one was of the move matrix. Check that out too. And hit the like button. Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe.